Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway CEO, is one of the most successful investors in history. The Oracle of Omaha is set to enter the new year with more than 40 holdings in Berkshire's portfolio, and all of those holdings we saw Buffett liking Occidental Petroleum, Apple, and Chinese electronic maker BYD this year. We'll see if he likes those stocks again in 2024. At this point, Occidental is one of those positions that they have to report within their own filings as well because of the fact that they own so much of the company, but still one of the top holdings, Apple, that's going to continue to catch attention as well.
You know what? Maybe this isn't a surprise, but what Buffett doesn't really own is that true AI play. Now, none of these AI plays are classic Buffett. A lot of them are trading price to earnings multiples well above the S&P 500. They're trading well above their book value per share. So these are not classic investments, but Brad, Buffett has mentioned in the past that he has missed names like Amazon that have driven the tech movement. So do we see Warren Buffett trying to play a little catch-up in 2024 by getting involved with some of these AI plays? Does he go out there and buy some Salesforce? Does he make a play for NVIDIA on a pullback? I think that is going to be an interesting story to follow because I don't see Apple, at least right now, being a major AI player. Now they're supposed to launch some reality headset goggles, but to me that is not the pure AI play.
Yeah, it's just a matter of what AI actually looks like in critical mass in people's fingertips and, at the top of their mind every day are leveraging AI to the same extent that they even Google things at this point.
I mean, you could argue that Buffett rotated out of one of his first AI plays. That's HP. He purchased HP, but he's been unloading his stake in that company. Now, HP next year should be a main player in getting these AI PCs to market. A lot of folks on the street really banking on a major reset or refresh cycle in the PC market, driven by the likes of HP.
In the world of investment, no name resonates more than Warren Buffett. Known for his uncanny ability to spot value and potential in stocks, Buffett's choices often shape the market trends. The year 2023 was no exception. From technology to healthcare, Buffett's picks spanned diverse sectors, each marking notable success in their own right. But what made these picks stand out? What was the secret sauce behind their triumph? Stay tuned as we dive into the specifics of these picks and why they made the list. So, what were Warren Buffett's stock picks in 2023? Let's dive right in. The Oracle of Omaha, as he's often referred to, made some fascinating moves in the stock market last year. His first pick was the energy powerhouse, ExxonMobil. Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway bought a significant stake in ExxonMobil, citing the company's robust business model and stable cash flows. The investment seemed to pay off as ExxonMobil's stock surged throughout the year, backed by a strong rebound in global energy markets. Next on the list was Bank of America. Buffett has long been a fan of banking stocks, and 2023 was no exception. He increased his stake in Bank of America, praising its strong balance sheet and potential for growth. The bank's performance in 2023 did not disappoint, delivering solid returns to Berkshire Hathaway. Lastly, Buffett turned his attention to the tech sector, buying into IBM. Despite some analysts raising eyebrows at this choice, Buffett stood by his decision. He noted IBM's transition into cloud computing and artificial intelligence as a long-term growth catalyst. By the end of 2023, it was clear that Buffett's bet was not misplaced, as IBM's stock showed promising growth. Behind these choices was Buffett's timeless investment strategy of buying undervalued companies that have a competitive advantage and holding on to them for the long term. He looks for businesses that he understands and believes can perform well over time. This strategy has served him well over the years, and 2023 was no different. It's important to remember that while we can learn a lot from Buffett's investment choices, they are made based on his unique investment philosophy and the specific context of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. Therefore, his picks may not necessarily be suitable for all investors. These were the significant moves in 2023, but what do we expect in the coming year? Let's delve into that in the next scene. As we look ahead, what might we expect from Warren Buffett's investment strategy in 2024? Given his 2023 picks and his historical preference for value, it's likely we'll see Buffett continue to focus on companies that are undervalued but have strong fundamentals and solid growth potential. He's always had a knack for spotting diamonds in the rough, and 2024 will likely be no different. We could also see Buffett making significant bets in sectors poised for growth, such as technology and healthcare. His recent investments suggest an openness to diversifying his portfolio, and adapting to the ever-changing market landscape. Furthermore, given the economic uncertainties and market volatility, Buffett may continue to uphold his long-term investment approach, favoring businesses with durable competitive advantages. This strategy has served him well in the past and is likely to do so in the future. However, let's not forget his famous quote, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." So, don't be surprised if Buffett makes some unexpected moves if the market takes a downturn. While we can't predict the future with certainty, studying past strategies can give us clues. That brings us to the end of our exploration of Warren Buffett's 2023 stock picks and a look into 2024. We've delved into the investments made by one of the greatest investors of our time. We've discussed his stock picks in 2023 and speculated about the investment landscape in 2024. Let's continue the conversation. We'd love to hear your thoughts on these picks. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Magnificent 7 Investing for more investment insights. Until next time, keep investing smartly.